Hi, we are the group 4 and we are going to talk you some interesting features about the ocean and his movement. We hope you like it. Thanks for view. Now, the bottom of the sea. Plate tectonic theory explains us a lot of phenomena related to the structure and evolution of the Earth. And in what interest now, the ocean, it what is created, destroyed and evolved silvered, its composition, the existence of layered mountain ranges and trenches. On the surface of the Earth, a bright rock layer, the lithosphere, is not a continuous plate, in fact, is made up mobile plates moving on the surface of the Earth. These plates, called the tectonic plates, interact with each other along their borders or limit constant intense deformation in the crust and lithosphere of the Earth.
There are two types of plate, convergent and divergent.
The tectonic plates are a part of the Earth crust that is made by rilles and rilles. They float on magma. The effects of the movement of the tectonic plates are earthquakes. Sometimes two plates slip away past each other and produce earthquakes. New land. Sometimes two plates slip apart and lava bubbles to fill gap and form new land. Mountain ranges. Sometimes two plates push against each other and it travels the land to make huge mountain ranges. Trenches. Sometimes two plates slip under the water. They make trenches.
Another reason of the ocean motion are tsunamis. A tsunami is a devastating giant wave formed by a tidal wave and a volcanic eruption. This occurs in the bottom of the sea. A tsunami can travel over 970 km per hour across the oceans. The order of effects of the tsunami is 1. Causes: subduction, earthquake, volcanic eruption. 2. Wave approaching goes at speed. 3. Wave breaking. 4. People running away from the breaking wave. 5. Devastation. 6. Rebuilding and construction. Now we are going to talk about waves.
Waves are movements of the ocean water. The waves are formed when an object crashes in the water, the wind and the attraction of the moon. Moreover, in Hawaii or in place with the beach exposed to the open sea, a storm on shore winds, and appropriate anchorage gentle slope of the beach has a well of the ocean floor rising become to dry. Land, the level of the seawater becomes shallow too. The wave, which is being turned round to circular movement and passed by the wind, breaks on beach. The tides. The tides are movements of the sea caused by the pull of the moon and the sun on the earth. These are two types of tides, deep tides and spring tides. They are two types of tides on a day, that they are repeated in 2 times. Also, the tides promote and descend in 6 hours. The spring tides are tides that make normal tides bigger than the normal. They are formed when the moon, the sun, and the earth are in a straight line. Deep tides are tides that make normal tides lower than normal. They are formed when the moon, the sun, and the earth are on a right angle. You can see the highest tide in the world if you go to Canada and visit the Fundy Bay. The ocean currents. Ocean currents are water in their own movements within oceans with different depths and critical directions. We can imagine as rivers into the ocean. Ocean currents have 2 types of movements. Horizontal movements of the surface caused mainly by wind and interior caused by the Earth's rotation. Vertical movement whose origin is the configuration of seamountain coastlines because they modify the effect of rotation of the Earth. The movement of rotation creates a centrifugal force tending to bulk up the oceanic level along the equatorial circumference. This generates the equatorial current, which is directed by inertia opposite to the Earth's rotation from west to east.
Ocean motion is a very interesting thing. Now, if you was careful, you know now more things about the ocean, like how water particles move or what happens when 2 tectonic plates move. Thanks for watching.